Hello, today we learn how to simplify expressions by collecting like terms. So first let us see what like terms are. In each of these ones, we'll try to identify the like terms. So the like terms are the terms which have the same variable with the same exponent. Now over here in the first term, the variable is x. Do we have any other term with a variable x? Yes, we have 5x and we have 3x. So 3x, 5x and 2x, these are the like terms. And this 2 is without the variable. 3xy has a variable xy. So these are not the part of any like terms. Now let us look into part B. In this, we have a squared as the variable, and the other term where we have a squared is this. So these two, 4a squared and negative a squared, are like terms. Now this term 2a has an a, but it is raised to the power of 1. So exponent is 1. Here a has the exponent 3. Here a has an exponent 2, but it has another variable b. So none of these are like terms. So if we have to simplify this expression, first let us identify the like terms. So the first two like terms are 7m and 2m, and the other two like terms are 6m square and m square. So let us just collect them. So we can write it as 7m subtract 2m plus 6m square plus m squared. Now 7m minus 2m, this is going to give us 5m, and 6m square plus m square. So 6 and 1, when there's no coefficient seen, the coefficient is 1. So 6 and 1 is 7m square. So this is the simplified expression. Now let us try simplifying this expression. So start with the like terms. So we have 3k, negative k, and this is 4k. So what we are going to do is we'll put them together, and the terms without the variables are the like terms. So the like terms are like 5, 8, and 1. We can write this now as 3k, subtract k, subtract 4k, and now the other three constants without the variables. So minus 5 plus 8 plus 1. Now if we simplify this, because these are the like terms, so we can solve them together. 3k minus k, minus 1k actually, this gives us 2k, and 2k minus 4k gives us negative 2k. Now negative 5 plus 8 is a 3, and 3 plus 1 is a 4. So this is the simplified expression. Now let us try simplifying this expression by collecting like terms. So the like terms are 2a square and this 2a square. Let us pick up the other like terms. So we have ab over here and ab over here, and one more set of like terms is 6 and a 7. So they do not have any like terms because this has a variable b and this has a variable b square. So to simplify it, let us put the like terms together. So we have 2a square and subtract 2a square. Then now subtract 3ab plus 5ab. Then we have subtract 6 plus 7, and these terms which are not like with anybody, we are just going to put them separately. Plus 4b square subtract 3b. Now this 2a square minus 2a square, it just cancels out or gives us a 0, which we don't need to write. These two terms, negative 3ab plus 5ab, this gives us 2ab. Negative 6 plus 7 gives us a 1. And these two terms we cannot simplify, so we just have to write it as 4b squared subtract 3b. And this is our simplified expression. So I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.